Hey everyone, we did it. We've made it to 200 videos of drawing your requests, and I've improved a lot since I first started this series out. I can't wait to see where the next 100 drawing videos will take me. And now, as I always say, sit back, relax, and enjoy my drawings. The reference picture I'm using of Avril shows her with her lips this way, which is why I drew her lips as is. For the eyelashes, I'm drawing small dashes to give Avril's eyelashes the length they show and to enhance her look. With such drawings, I can't leave out small things such as the necklace she wears around her neck. This tank top she's wearing I believe looks like leather, and with it comes a zipper, which is what I'm drawing right here. Before finishing up, I'm going to draw in the hair strands for her long hair.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm.
And with that, here's my completed drawing of Avril Lavigne. Let's move on to the next drawing.
You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted. You've been gifted with the evil voodoo.
For Tadano's hair, it's shaped and drawn like a small hedgehog curled up in defense mode.
Pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head. I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed.
Since Tadano's design is based off a donkey, I'm drawing his donkey face and ears in.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored?
if I play dead? Will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing.
For his clothes, Tadano wears a coat, pants, and some nice shoes, so I'm drawing those in here, starting with the coat.
I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt, never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm, I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string, you don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings, you don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something.
And finally, I'll draw his little donkey tail to finish up. And with my last drawing in this sketchbook completed, here's my drawing of Tadano. And that's it for this video. I'm really glad I got to finish my sketchbook. All the pages are completely filled up and I couldn't be happier to see my growth from the beginning. Oh, and don't worry, I have 2 sketchbooks that I bought months ago and I'll use one. The other I'll just use for my own time when I draw. So yeah, thank you all so much for 200 drawing requests. Keep the requests coming in because I really enjoy making these kinds of videos. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time.